Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI P50 Pocket, and I'll show you how to find photos in gallery on this device. So first you should go into the gallery application, and here you'll see here all your device photos. And just for example, we'll select these 4 photos to hide them. Just hold for a while the first photo and then just select the other ones. Then here on the left down corner, click here to more icon and click here to done. Now just here read the description and click here to OK. And now just to find them, you should click here to the albums, and on the right upper corner click to the 4 dots or to the more icon and click here to the hidden items. And as can you see here, there are all our hidden photos. We can just turn them back just by selecting them and click here to unhide, and then we'll also find them again in our camera or our device photos. So that's it. That's how to hide photos in our HUAWEI P50 Pocket. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.